Hello and welcome students. Today we are going to study modes of asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction means when only one parent is involved, and this usually takes place in lower animals, that is in invertebrate animals which you have studied in class 9th. It never takes place in higher animals. So here I have written down few points. We are going to discuss each one of them. The first type of asexual reproduction is fission. Normal meaning of fission is to break. When an organism breaks into halves, it is called as fission. But fission are of two types. One is binary fission and the other is multiple fission. Binary fission takes place in amoeba, when an organism like amoeba divides into two equal halves. Most important, the amoeba can divide into two equal halves or two daughter cells from any side of its cell or from any plane. At the same time, there is another protozoa called Leishmania which divides only from a particular plane. Even that divides or undergoes binary fission. So binary fission means when an organism divides into two equal halves. Then we come to multiple fission. When an organism divides into many daughter cells. The best example here is that of malarial parasite Plasmodium. This malarial parasite, it divides into many daughter cells, and each daughter cell, after it matures, again it grows and it divides into many daughter cells. So as I told you, in asexual reproduction, there are all daughter cells found. Next one is fragmentation. The word fragment means into smaller pieces. When an organism breaks into smaller pieces and each piece grows into a new one. For example, Spirogyra. Suppose this is the Spirogyra and it breaks into 4 pieces, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Each piece is capable of growing into a new individual. That means growth takes place from a small fragment of the organism. This is usually found in algae or Spirogyra. Next we come to regeneration. The best example of regeneration can be seen in Planaria. Planaria breaks or divides into 3 equal halves. As it divides into 3 equal halves, each half, just like the fragment, is able to grow into a new individual. And this Planaria, though it is considered an animal, it behaves something like fragmentation. So fragmentation is mostly seen in plants and regeneration is seen in animals. There is one more point to regeneration. Many times we see if the tail of a lizard is cut, after few days the lizard regrows the tail. That is organ regeneration. That is not reproduction. Here we are talking about reproduction, regeneration, which relates to the organism, new organism. Then comes budding. Budding is seen in yeast as well as it is seen in Hydra, where a small bud is formed and as it grows, it detaches from the parent and again it keeps on forming new buds and each one gives rise to a new organism.